And today in Stroud, they kicked off a week-long festival of manufacturing. Our business correspondent Dave Harvey went along.
Alongside her A-levels, Anne Townsend has been making a plane at school.
It's just the whole hands-on aspect of it actually starting as a box of bits and now it actually looks like it's going to fly. And you get to meet loads of people, you get to go to lots of places and get in with some people. Like I know people from Boeing now, which is great.
And if it's cool factories you want, the West Country has plenty to offer. Right now, manufacturing is hot property. To get this country back in the black, we need to make more stuff and sell it abroad. And that means more teenagers like Anne joining the army of engineers. But Anne and her friends are unusual because despite very high levels of unemployment across Gloucestershire, indeed across the West Country, manufacturing companies tell me they still have trouble recruiting staff.
To get the growth, we need extra people. And if we don't get these extra people at the moment, then we're not going to be able to grow.
At Moog in Tewkesbury, they make high-tech parts for Formula One cars. They've paired up with local schools to get youngsters interested. Ministers applaud. Sign up more apprentices, they say. But will they put their money where their ministerial mouths are?
To train an apprentice for 4 years, it cost me about £47,000 in salary. And I pay national insurance on those salaries. So if we could take away that 14%, that would help us. That's the tax on jobs at the moment.
Naturally, the minister was all smiles when he arrived, full of praise for Anne's DIY plane. But when I asked him about tax breaks on apprentices, well...
Yeah, we're putting £1.4 billion of taxpayers' money into apprenticeships. Of course, we also have to remember that it's good for the country, it's also good for that business. So I think both the business and the taxpayer need to contribute a little bit to this process. That's the model we've got.
Expect more ministers touring factories then. More campaigns to make manufacturing cool for kids. But tax breaks or subsidies? No. Tough times, we're reminded. Tough times. Dave Harvey, BBC Points West in Stroud.